In this short video, I'd like to show you how to load the NanoFlex caviar electrode into the electrode holder. We have all the components here that we need. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm not wearing gloves, but it's important when you're conducting an experiment that you wear gloves to handle the chip, because grease from your fingers will cause issues. So if we take the electrode, on no account should you handle the active area, which you can see as a light grey area, 5mm square on the end of the chip. Place it on the chip carrier and be careful to ensure that the chip is located fully within the recess that the carrier has, specifically for the chip. Make sure that the tongue on the carrier is facing forwards. Place the gasket over the top of the chip, on top of the carrier, so that the holes for the locating screws register with the gasket holes. Now we have this assembly, we can take the main body of the holder and very carefully insert this and slide it up into the holder. Maintain a gentle pressure to keep things in place. Turn it over, and now we can put the retaining screws into the body, like this. At this stage, we just want to make sure the screws are in and holding the carrier in place. If we place one in like this, one in the other diagonal. As soon as we feel some resistance, stop. Now I can take my finger away. We can put the other two screws in. At this stage, we're not putting any pressure on the screws at all. We're just waiting until we feel them against the carrier. And now we can move diagonally, just gently tightening the screws up, like this. And you can feel as the slack is taken out of the screws. And once there's no more slack, like this, we know we've got a nice even pressure across the gasket, and we should have a watertight union between the two, and we'll be able to see the active area of the electrode in the bottom of this recess. The holder is now complete, and you're ready to conduct your electrochemical experiment.